Hey everyone, David Cook, DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper, and here is another accent wallpaper we did in the home. This is Candice Olsen, as you can see. There's all the pattern, run number, all that fun stuff. Pattern is also the color number on this one. So as you can see, there's no repeat, no match, which is nice when you're putting this stuff up. Makes it a little easier. This is actually like a cork type of a thing with a metallic background. Has the instructions on the back. We actually pre-primed the wall with guards, wall sealer, and then we used dynamite 234 wallpaper adhesive, and then we pre-pasted the pieces and then installed them so you can kind of get a little closer look. The metallic behind the gray, a little bit of brown in there, but pretty cool paper. We've installed this a couple times now. Different colors. The first time we've done the gray. I think this is probably my favorite color out of all of them. We did a white one, which that was a nightmare because every time you touched it, it left a fingerprint. Just FYI. So the only thing about this stuff, once you get it wet, it becomes very fragile. So once you're booking it, the cork can peel if you're rolling it too tight to book it. And then once you get it on the wall, when you're going to cut on the bottoms there, sometimes if you don't have your straight edge right against the trim and your blade against the straight edge, the paper will actually start tearing away versus cutting. Just be really careful when you're installing about not tearing the paper, but cutting it. Keep snapping blades, using razor blades, use a fresh blade for every cut. You should be great. Got questions about this paper or other wallpaper installations for your house, home, business? Give us a call at DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper. We're here to help you love the space you're in.